Did you know the deepest parts of the ocean act as a natural data logger recording sounds for centuries? Whale clicks, ship rumble, and storms etch a marine archive scientists read like a musical fossil across generations. By listening, researchers map migrations, weather shifts, and even underwater tremors without leaving the surface of our world. This hidden chorus shows how oceans whisper climate change, guiding coastal planning and protecting life for people and wildlife. So when waves speak, imagine an underwater library narrating Earth's shifting melody for curious listeners around the world today.